Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. Hopefully, you got your coffee. I'm going to turn it over to Charlie here in just a sec, and I'm going to let him read the question. I thought I'd have a little fun with a different intro here. Somebody said, hey, you sound a lot like Paladin did in the old Western, so I thought I'd have a little fun, make a little bit of a different intro. And so if you don't recognize the picture over here on the far right, well, he's my bill collector. So anyway, here we go. Charlie, take it away. Read the question.
Most of the jigs I see online, they're fixed, where they will only accommodate a certain size piece of steel for bending. Is there any tool or any way out there that I can make something where I can use different sizes of steel when I need to and still be able to bend it?
Well, yeah, there is, Charlie, and I'm going to change the picture right now. We're going to have a discussion over it. You can make this out of scrap steel, whether it's bed frame rails or you have to go out and buy some angle iron from the steel supplier. But either way, it's cheap, it's fast, it's easy, and it's very versatile. Let me change the picture. We'll get into the discussion. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Like I said, you can use angle iron or bed frame rails, and you can see where it's two pieces, and each piece has a different size piece of pipe welded to it. Now, you can vary the size of the pipe. You can put 1 inch on both halves. You can put 1 inch or wider like the guy did here in the picture. This is a picture I pulled off of the web a long time back when I made mine as a template to go by. Now, I have got several of these in different size pipe. Some of them I've got like 2-inch round pipe. Some of them is 1.5 inches or 1 inch or less. And I have these jigs, like I keep saying, put to the side, and I can use them when I can. Now I can match them up. I mean, I can put, the 1 inch with a 1 inch if that's what I wanted to do, or I could put the 1 inch round piece of pipe with the 2 inch or greater piece of pipe. I forgot all the dimensions. I have, I think, 4 sets of these, in total. I don't use them that often, but when I do, it's handy because I only had to make it one time. And it gives you a chance to practice your welding. It doesn't matter. One of the questions I get all the time is everybody panics over, or I shouldn't say panics, but everybody gets concerned over what size wire. Can it be flux cord, or do I have to use gas shielded? Either will work when you're making, these jigs. It doesn't matter. It's just a matter of, it gives you a chance, like I said, to practice your welding. It doesn't matter if you're using 030, 025, or whatever you're using. But the key behind this, like everything else, is to make sure, you weld prep. So whether you have a flap wheel on a 4.5 inch angle grinder, or you just have a small bench grinder or whatever, clean up the metal so that you have good penetration when you start welding. Go slow and you'll get the rhythm. It takes time and practice, but you'll get the idea, especially if you're MIG welding. Well, okay, folks, that was kind of the quick tip of the day, and I'll put up another 1 or 2 videos on how I did some other jigs. So, if you're interested, drop me a comment. I hope you click subscribe. Have a great weekend. I'll see you folks again soon. Bye-bye.